Are you tired of buying taco kits? Try this easy homemade baked crispy beef tacos from scratch. Hello and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's make taco seasoning. In a bowl, place salt, black pepper, paprika, oregano, red pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, red chili powder, and mix. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and measurements. The seasoning is done. Let's cook the minced meat in a pan on medium heat. Add oil, then fry the chopped onion for about 3 minutes. Add the chopped garlic and fry for 1 minute. We are frying it shortly to avoid burning it. Add the minced meat or ground beef as some call it and loosen it with a spoon. Sprinkle the taco seasoning and stir. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Add the tomato sauce once the beef starts browning and add water. Stir, close the lid and cook the mince for 15 minutes, stirring in between. Let's make the topping. Chop or slice the lettuce. Wash the veggies and herbs using the salt or bicarbonate of soda and allow them to dry or dab them to dry. I try them to avoid soggy tacos. I would like to give a big shout out to my loyal returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. There are people like Sheila Falaza who have been there since the channel started. Here I'm arranging the coriander in order to fold it and to make it easy for me to chop it. Please share your chopping hack in the comment section below. Once chopped, set them aside. If you do not like the heat, cut the jalapenos or the green chilies open and remove the seeds. I have cut them half open and I've used a spoon to remove the seeds. Then I started slicing them, then set them aside. Cut the tomatoes into quarters. Place them in a food processor or an electric blender. Peel and chop the onion. Place it as well in a food processor. Blend them roughly to the consistency of your liking. Once blended, add the coriander and the jalapenos or the chili peppers and mix. Add the dried oregano or oreganum, the ground cumin, the black pepper and salt. Squeeze the fresh lime juice. Remove the seeds, they are not part of the recipe. Add the lime juice into the processor and mix well. It's ready. Let's make our crispy tortilla shells. Spray or brush the tortillas with oil. Please make sure that your oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Hang the tortillas in an oven rack, 2 bars in between. You can even make more space if you would like to do so. Bake them between 5 to 8 minutes with the baking pan underneath to catch the oil drippings. You may even use a toaster if they fit in. Mine were bigger. I wanted to show you that. After baking them, I kept them open using kitchen tongs. You may use anything you have to keep them open. Fill them with the ground beef or the minced meat first. Follow with the mozzarella cheese. Place them in a casserole dish or any oven-friendly dish. For support, please press the like button and leave your comment below. Bake them until the cheese melts. I would like to know, what is your favorite tortilla topping? Please leave your comment in the comment section below. Squeeze some of the tomato juice before filling the topping into the shells. Drizzle the sour cream and they are ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.